Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's another episode about how to remove and replace a front crank pulley oil seal. So this is going to be done step by step, guys. Always keep watching, do not skip the video. Please watch till the end. I will appreciate your support. So yeah, with the help of a bar that I crossed from the top of the vehicle, crossing down until it touches the cross member, and with two bolts I decided to thread them on a pulley hole that you see, those two holes over there. So because I didn't have a pulley remover tool, so one bolt was bent. That's the main reason why I'm hitting it to return it to its shape so that I can screw it out. I can unscrew it out, as you can see. So this idea helped me a lot to remove that strong bolt. So the bolt in the front of the pulley is very strong. It cannot be removed easily. So after doing so, using a hammer to give it a light tap so that it might slip out of the way and give me a clear view of where the seal itself is sitting. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I'm gonna get my new oil seal, oil crank seal. So this is how I remove it using a screwdriver. Just keep watching, guys. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, here is an oil seal, and I'm going to show you how it looks like compared to a new seal. So right now I'm just wanting to wipe off all the debris that must be stuck in there, all the grinding paste of the metal chips that might be pushed out through an oil pressure coming from the bottom of an oil pan. But I don't think anything can be allowed to get inside and get trapped, because this is the cleanest place the engine ever had. Because yeah, as you can see, everything is clean. So here's our new seal compared to an old one. So I'm going to apply a liquid coat around the oil seal itself on its outer diameter. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't really fully trust that hole where this seal is supposed to be fitted, because it might contain some scratches where oil can sneak out all around the seal. But this seal was designed for participating on this purpose, but it is rigid to the point that I don't feel comfortable of fitting it alone. But I'm not trying to badmouth anything, because it is the way how it is. But I don't think like an engine can just be kept clean after losing all this oil. I don't know where the oil was coming through. It was on its outside diameter, or it was through its inner diameter. So I just have some little bit. I'm just suspicious. So yeah, watch the video, guys. This is how I'm just suspecting a lot. So watch the video, guys. This is how to fit it back. So the reason why I'm threading down that little bolt is because it is going to overshoot, pass through this pulley hole until it touches the engine surface, where there is some grooves, and this will help my pulley not to rotate, so the rotation force will be cancelled when I will be trying to tight this main bolt itself. So this is how everything works, guys. So let's just watch the action. So if this video, guys, was helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, follow my channel for more videos. Yeah, I will appreciate your support, guys. I love you. Thanks for watching.